What's up, guys? Today we're doing a little something different. I know I say that a lot, but on the air fryer today. Got this one for Father's Day. This is a Farberware. I like it a lot already because I think it's smaller than those big egg-shaped looking ones. So yeah, let's take this out. Come on out, boy. Nice. Look at that. It's not black. I mean, usually I like things to be black, but every other model of them is black, and they're kind of like ugly. This one, I kind of like it. It's sleek. Even crispy food, remove basket and shake halfway through cooking process. Okay. All right, so we got the temperature control up here. We got the heating signal light and the power light and timer. Look at that. Looks like a little pizza oven. Little tray. And then we have the basket. What the fuck? Came with a recipe book. I like that, dude. Steak, shrimp, dude. So this is pretty much a convection oven, cooks with hot air, like most ovens. It's just tiny. And when it comes to appliances and little doodads and whatever, I'm like a freaking little Asian woman. I like mini versions of stuff. So all right, so I have rinsed this out and sprayed it with some canola oil. So we're gonna put her in there, and I don't know, we're gonna set it to, fuck it, we'll just set it to 400 real quick. Set it to 20 minutes. I hear the ticking. Oh, nice. I got some big ass potatoes, some seasonings, steak fries. Okay, so I got my potatoes cut in all different sizes. I'm gonna let them soak in some water, keep them from turning brown. Also take some of the starch off of them. And then, see all the starch coming out of the potatoes. Oh, very good. Just gonna, I'm not overcrowding that. Some oil, onion powder, a little pep, garlic salt. Maybe I'm wrong, should I not be seasoning it while they're cooking? So we're gonna go full power, we're gonna crank this up. See you guys soon. All right, so some of these are cooked more than others. Some of them aren't. All right, we got the second round. So this is the second batch of potatoes. I think they turned out a lot better than the first batch. Because they're more evenly cooked. I shook them more throughout the cooking process, but I really like them. So, all right, so we're gonna start our chicken wings now. So we're gonna start out with a plastic bag, Ziploc gallon, and we're gonna put our chicken in there. A couple chicken wings, maybe like 1, 2, 4, 5. We'll stop at 6. How about that? Put another flat in there. That's a big boy. Okay, so chicken wings in the bag. So we're going to take some Italian dressing. Let's put some in there. Some of that oil and vinegar and seasonings in there. A little bit of paprika. Whoop, there we go. Come on. I don't want to muck up the bag with my chicken hand. Okay. So I'm not going for like the flavor. I mean, you could take these out when they're done for like a dry season and eat them, but I'm going for like more of a, just like a baste, like a dry baste, and then we can toss them in sauces, you know, after. So we're going with the same, after the paprika, the same ones for the potatoes. Some garlic salt. We're gonna be shaking this up, so onion powder and a little bit of pep. And we're gonna go ahead and mix these around. Get all that seasoning all coated good on there. All right, now we're gonna plop them in. I'm gonna throw just a touch of paprika. A little bit of their own space. Throw this in there. And I'm probably gonna let this get about, I don't know, 10 minutes. And then we're gonna see what it looks like, shake them around and everything. And yeah. We'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Go ahead and pop this open. Woo, look at that. The smell is awesome. No, I'm just gonna keep cooking them until they're a little like brown like that on each side. Bust one open, a little kick of heat, that's all. There's another 10. So we're gonna pop this open and see what they look like. Oh man, wait till you see this. Check this out. Look down here, man. Look at that. That's no oil, just some, well, not dropped in oil. Like I did add a little bit of cooking spray and some Italian dressing and some seasonings on top, and that gave it that crust that you're seeing. I mean, I'm impressed. That looks delicious. See what we're working with here, see if we're done, and then we can either eat them as is or we can toss them up in some sauce. As you can see above me, I made some decisions whether or not to do this episode in this weather or not. It's raining everywhere else but here, trust me. I am gonna give it a dry taste test right now with just no sauce. I'm gonna try one of these. I like that. I like mine to be a little bit crispier. So we could throw these back in there, put them in some sauce. Finish that. Here they are. And keep in mind, this is like the bachelor pad version, single man air fryer, you know. So we're gonna put some Budweiser Brewmaster's Premium Barbecue Sauce Honey in there. That's a mouthful. So just a little bit. Here we got some Bullseye Everyday Original, just a touch. And then we're gonna finish it off with some Louisiana Supreme, boy. onion powder, boy. All right. So there we go. Try this out. Oh man. All right, you guys. Well, hope you enjoyed my air fryer video. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy these and pop the rest of the wings in there. Next time we're gonna try air frying something completely different. This is just something new I like doing. So I hope you guys enjoy it too. Also, the sunset's breaking, so either it's gonna rain or it's gonna stay beautiful like this. Either way, we're gonna be enjoying some wings. So we'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. If you guys enjoy these videos, I don't say this a lot, but go ahead and like it and subscribe and support me in what I do. You know, I'm hearing some rain, so that's our cue. See you guys next time. Ooh, that rain's starting to come down. I just want to let you guys know my most recent videos, like this one you're seeing now, and all the COVID-19 videos and everything with the Beast Hunter, all shot with the iPhone XR. So everything looks pretty nice, you know, and that means you guys could shoot things yourself, even if you don't have iPhones, you know. So go ahead and get out there and make your own videos, put them up, and see what happens. You never know, you know, start your own hobbies. So peace, you guys.